Hi, my name's Sean Good, and I'm an attorney at the Good Law Group. In this video, I want to talk about the risks of wire fraud in real estate transactions. In both residential and commercial real estate transactions, when the buyer is putting down more than $50,000 as their down payment, the requirement is that they wire the money to the title company. Now, wiring the money sounds easy, and it is, but there are steps you should take to protect yourself. When the down payment, is less than $50,000, you can bring a cashier's check to the title company. So wire fraud happens typically when the buyer, gets a fake email and it says, here's the wire instructions, wire the money here, and it's fake. Alternatively, these scams typically show up in updated wire instructions. So you'll already have the wire instructions, and then you'll get a spoofed email that says, here's updated ones, and then you wire the money to a foreign country and the money's gone. So just a few ways you can protect yourself. Know the title company you're closing at. Google that title company, take the address and phone number and call it and say, I want wire instructions. Usually they're going to send it to you in a secure portal or via fax. Then do not use the wire instructions to verify that they're correct. Use another source. Go back to Google, call that title company off the Google Maps number, and verify that they're accurate. And then you should be safe to wire in most instances. In residential transactions, typically the buyer is responsible for wiring their own money. In commercial transactions, in some instances, if you're banking with the same person that's originating loan, rather not person, but company or bank, they may handle it for you, which is a nice layer of protection in commercial transactions where the amount of money is bigger. There's a lot of different scams. There's a lot of different ways to protect yourself. This is just a few little things to look out for and ways to protect yourself. There's plenty of other scams and plenty of ways to protect yourself. So just be cautious when you're wiring money. Thanks for watching this video. If we can help you with any real estate transactions, please reach out to us at 847-577-4476. Thanks.